Up, I have this old truck I found right here. Check it out. Look like a old international pickup truck. Look like it had been chopped, cut, rebuilt. Look like it got a short bed on there. The roof been chopped. Yep, the windows only size your hand. Yep, they chopped it. Chop, cut, rebuild. Needs a little bit more work. Time to bring it back to life. Been sitting too long. Well, the engine's up in here. Got the old engine up in here. Small block 400. Look like he got a Camaro front clip up in here. What kind of rear end's on this thing? Oh, got some old 12 bolt rear end in there. Must have come out of a Chevelle or something. Oh, looks like the gas tank is in the bed. Yep. Springtime's coming. I'm gonna have to bring this back to life too. Can't leave it sitting out here in this old alley. Got the old baby moons on there with the 4-inch white walls. Old bias ply tires. Oh, the battery goes down there. Got the old low carb shifter. You've got some holes in the floor, needs to get welded up. Doesn't look too bad. Yep, just needs a little bit of TLC. Bring it back to life. Yep, needs a carburetor, distributor. What kind of fan is on here? So got the old electric fan up there in the grill. Yep, it'd be pretty cool. Bring it back to life. Yep, I'll work on it.